Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Simon T. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Maybe you have two different accounts and you are using only one and you want to delete the other one you are not using. So in today's video, I will give you step by step on how to permanently delete or deactivate the account on Facebook. So if today is the first time watching my video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get more of my video. So stay tuned.
So first of all, you come to your Facebook here, you click on it, then you come to this three dash here, you click on the three dash here, you now come down to settings and policy, you click on it, you come to you look at settings here, you click on settings, then you look for where account ownership and control. You see account ownership and control. Wherever you see it on your phone, just click on this account ownership and control. When you click on this, you wait. Now you come to deactivation and delete. You click on it. So now you see delete or deactivating or delete your Facebook account. You see the information. This deactivate account is temporary, while delete account is permanent. So you want to delete your account permanently, so you mark this one, then you click continue. So now you look at it, you read all the instruction here. So because you want to delete it permanently, so you just click on delete here. Now the Facebook, they ask you to put the password of your Facebook account. So let me go ahead and put password here. So you put the password here, like put the password. Put the password. So after you put the password, you click continue. You click on continue here. So you click on continue. So you see now, you see confirm permanent account deletion. So you click on it, confirm. Click on this delete account to